In this video, we'll look at how end users can provision and use bare metal GPU servers using GPU PaaS. Let's start with the architecture. In Rafay's model, every tenant gets a dedicated BCM, and when the tenant onboarding is performed, the BCM is automatically created. Now let's look at the end user experience. So when the user goes and clicks on create an bare metal server, a node is selected from the inventory. The BCM is programmed, the node is power cycled, and the node provisions using BCM. Let's see what that looks like using Rafay. The user clicks on new bare metal server and goes and selects from the options that are provided for the user. And in this case, I'm going to choose DGX and the GPU server type bare metal L40S. This can be configured by the cloud provider to whatever the list that they support. Now, the user uh, uh, needs about 10 minutes for the bare metal server to be available, and they're provided with the IP address, password, and other details like private keys, etc., to access the bare metal server. Now, let's see what the experience is to access the bare metal server. The user, in this case, uses SSH to log in into their bare metal server. And in this case, since it's a GPU server, let's use NVIDIA's SMI command to see what we have access to. In this case, as you can see, we have access to four L40s as we requested in the bare metal server configuration.